Barnacles, it's about time we finally got started on our next design. This is going to be fabulous!
Well, let's get started. That's right, folks. You heard the Glokies. You know, they're already hiding in the background, and they're cheering me on. Tonight we're gonna draw Binacle, the two-handed Pokemon from the Kalos region. He's a rock and water type. And these guys can be found on any beach. Seriously, any beach at all. Did you know that there's gonna be a new movie coming on Netflix? I know, they'd slap me if I gave out the surprise. But, since it's for the fans, I'm gonna let that one slide, for now. Alright, here's his second head, or hand, or whatever it's called. There we go. And finished. That's how you draw Binacle.